We're here on another apartment tour over here on the corner of Grace and Seminary. Wrigley Field is one block that way, about 600 feet, and the CTA red line is right down there. We're going to take a look at this 4-bedroom here in this beautiful red 3-story walk-up building. Come on in, and we'll take a look. There's going to be your mailbox there. And come on in, we'll take a look. All right, we're entering right in. So this is the living room. Got hardwood floors, got a bay window there. Walk around, see that. And then there's a closet there. So we'll start back here, down the hall. Here's bedroom 1. Good size, it's got a large double closet there. Window there. We'll step back out. Here's the bathroom. This is where there's 2 bathrooms. This is a 2-level apartment, so there's a stairway right there. We'll see that in a minute. So it's a duplex. Coming back over here, here's bedroom 2. It's pretty good size. You can fit a king-size bed there. Closet there in the corner. There's air conditioning there. So come on back out. We'll go downstairs in a moment. There's a nice big hutch. Here's the kitchen. You can sit here at the bar. There's a pantry closet here. Turning around, here's the kitchen. Dishwasher, stove. Lots of counter space. Here's the back door. We'll take a look out here. Here's a porch. And there's coin laundry in the basement, right down the other stairway. So you can sit out here. There's Wrigley Field over there. 1 block to the north. Let's go back in. I'll show you the downstairs. Just finish up our tour. And we'll go downstairs. This is like 2 apartments combined. There's a dartboard here. Okay, here's bedroom 3. This is a very big bedroom. It's got 2 closets. Good size. Here's bathroom 2. And this is the same thing, tub, sink and shower. And then we've got, actually this is like a den. This is either a small room, could be a bedroom, it could be a 5th bedroom, and here's the 4th bedroom. So this is it. And we're in Wrigleyville, and that completes the apartment tour. And sometimes we just call this the dartboard apartment. So have a great day. It's great to live in Wrigleyville.